Scrum Principles, self-organization. Let's now talk about one of the key principles of Scrum, self-organization. Scrum is based on the belief that people are inherently self-motivated and capable of managing their own tasks when given the right environment and trust. This means that instead of being micromanaged, Scrum team members are empowered to take ownership of their work. Self-organized teams are known to deliver higher value, take greater responsibility, and are more innovative and efficient. To support this, Scrum promotes a specific leadership style called servant leadership. Rather than controlling the team, the Scrum Master or leader serves the team. By removing obstacles, facilitating communication, and ensuring that the team has everything it needs to succeed. Now let's look at what a self-organizing team in Scrum is expected to achieve. The diagram here shows the key goals of a self-organizing team, which help them operate effectively without constant supervision. 1. Understand the project vision. Every team member should clearly understand the goal and direction of the project. This helps align their work with business objectives. 2. Leverage cross-functional expertise. Teams should utilize the diverse skills within the team to solve problems and complete tasks efficiently. 3. Proactively seek work. Rather than waiting for instructions, self-organizing teams take initiative in picking up tasks. 4. Execute work themselves. They are capable of completing tasks without needing to escalate or delegate upward. 5. Open to learning new things. A growth mindset is essential. They must be willing to learn new tools, methods, or technologies. 6. Continuously upgrade skills. Continuous improvement through training or hands-on experience is key to long-term success. 7. Deliver tangible results. At the end of the day, the goal is always to deliver real, measurable outcomes that add value. What factors contribute towards forming self-organizing teams? Several key factors contribute to the formation of self-organizing teams in Scrum. 1. Clear vision and goals. When team members understand the overall project objectives, they can align their tasks accordingly. 2. Trust and empowerment. Management needs to trust the team and give them the autonomy to make decisions. 3. Cross-functional skills. Teams need a mix of skills, development, testing, design, etc., to handle tasks independently. 4. Servant leadership. Leaders should support the team by removing roadblocks and facilitating rather than directing. 5. Open communication. Free flow of information ensures transparency and helps the team coordinate better. 6. Mutual respect and collaboration. A respectful and supportive environment fosters ownership and accountability. 7. Continuous learning and adaptation. Encouraging innovation, skill development, and experimentation supports self-organization. 8. Motivation and ownership. Team members should be intrinsically motivated and take ownership of their work. Scrum Principles, collaboration. Now let's talk about collaboration, which is one of the key Scrum principles. In Scrum, collaboration means that the Scrum core team members work closely together and also maintain regular interaction with stakeholders. The purpose of this collaboration is to jointly create and validate the deliverables of the project. This helps ensure that the work being done is aligned with the project vision, and that the team is moving in the right direction with continuous feedback. Let's now understand the difference between cooperation and collaboration in Scrum. Cooperation is when team members work independently on parts of the project, and the final output is just the sum of their individual efforts. But collaboration goes a step further. It means working together actively, sharing inputs, and building on each other's ideas to produce a better, more valuable result. In Scrum, collaboration is preferred because it leads to greater innovation, faster problem-solving, and stronger team alignment. Now let's explore the core dimensions that make collaborative work successful in Scrum. The first is awareness. Team members need to stay informed about what others are working on. This helps avoid duplication and keeps everyone aligned. Second is articulation. This means dividing the work into smaller tasks, assigning them to team members, and then integrating everything once it's done. And finally, appropriation. Sometimes teams use tools or technologies differently than originally intended, adapting them to suit their specific project needs. Scrum allows such flexibility to get the work done effectively. Let's now look at the benefits of collaboration in Scrum projects. When the Scrum team, product owner, Scrum Master, and stakeholders work together through effective collaboration, it creates significant value. Some key benefits include minimized change requests. With better communication and early feedback, changes are reduced. Risk mitigation. Working together helps identify and manage risks early. Increased efficiency. Tasks are completed faster and with better coordination. Practice continuous improvement. Collaboration fosters learning and consistent process enhancements. Overall, collaboration helps build alignment and trust, leading to more successful project outcomes. Now let's discuss the importance of co-location in collaboration within Scrum. In Scrum, effective collaboration depends on high-bandwidth communication, meaning fast, clear, and interactive exchanges of information. To make this possible, it is preferred that team members work in a co-located environment, meaning they are physically present in the same location. Co-location helps in enabling both formal and informal communication, making team members easily accessible for quick coordination, problem-solving, and knowledge sharing, encouraging team bonding and faster decision-making. While remote collaboration is also possible, co-location often enhances the speed and quality of teamwork in Scrum. Let's now look at the key benefits of co-location in Scrum collaboration. When team members are working in the same physical space, it leads to smoother and faster collaboration. Some important advantages include: questions get answered quickly. There's no need to wait for emails or schedule calls. Just turn around and ask. Problems are fixed on the spot. Quick discussions help in resolving blockers immediately. Less friction in interactions. Face-to-face conversations reduce misunderstandings and delays. Trust builds faster. Regular personal interactions help team members trust and rely on each other more. These benefits of co-location make Scrum teams more agile, responsive, and aligned with project goals. Now let's engage with a quick question for reflection. Can you think of an example of articulation? Remember, articulation in collaboration refers to how teams divide work, assign it, and later integrate it. For example, in a Scrum team, during sprint planning, tasks are broken down from user stories. Each member picks or is assigned specific tasks. And finally, the completed pieces are reviewed together in the sprint review. This is a clear example of articulation, breaking work into parts and bringing it back together effectively. Encourage learners to share any personal or project-related examples of how they've done this in their own teams.